Unfortunately, it happened to me too. I accidentally burned this camera. And how did I do it? I connected it to such a power supply.
48V at the output. This is a power supply for a recorder. Just a moment of carelessness and I plugged in the wrong plug. And maybe it would be possible to save this camera if it wasn't for the fact that I was just waiting for it to start. Yet, upon witnessing smoke emerging from it, I ultimately grasped the mistake I had made when I saw it. So let's see what the damages are. We're starting. Lovely scent of burning. Assumed tragedy, but not too bad. Let's observe from this side. This diode is damaged. Has this diode played a role in safeguarding this camera? If so, replace this diode. Camera should start working. Let's check it. First, checking if diode is burned out. I found a similar module from which I have taken some parts, and we also have our own diode. I will solder it directly. Unfortunately, there are also these two regulators that I have replaced. For now, we have connected it to check if the camera works. This time we are connecting the correct power supply, and this is the moment of truth. Initiating the system. We kindly ask for your patience during the startup process. We are putting this camera together. Camera twisted, and we check again. Starting the system, please wait. The network cable has been connected. As you can see, the camera is working.